Hey, so after you guys go through your last video now, let's go back and edit your emails like Jay said in the last video. Okay, so you're going to go to email broadcaster. I was just doing it. And by the way, I'm Kia. I was just doing that and I said, well, let me record this. Okay, go. If you already went to the first video, now you're going to go. This is the second video. You're going to click on autoresponder builder, so this should already be there. Push edit, and then you're going to go to the top to email series. You should already have these already uploaded. Push edit, and then you're going to highlight these and put your link. Now this is where you're going to get your link from. You're going to figure out which one you want to redirect them to, and that's what link you're going to send them to. So if this is the link, now this is not the one you want to send them to. Just edit, just so you can see it. This is the page you want them to go back to. So you'll push get link, copy that, and this is back at landing page builder. Okay, so like I said, you're going to go to landing page builder, and then you're going to get your link, copy it, or just copy the clip. Okay, close it, but make sure this is where you want to send them back to. This is where you want to send them to, because they're going to get an automatic email. I'm just clicking these out. But you can just get link, copy it, close it, bring it here, and put it there. Keep that, copy this. I got this for my Facebook fan page I want them to come to, so I can train my people and they can have these automatic videos to help them, so I don't have to have anybody keep on asking me questions. So then you'll put save. And you want to do this with every single video. So you already have this one. Email. Already have this one ready. So they can text me. I don't want nobody calling me because I'm usually busy. And I'm going to answer my phone. I'm probably going to answer something. I'm not sure. Anyway, you have whatever you want to have. Your link, put your name, whatever you want to put there, where you want to send them to, blah, blah, blah. Let's go to the third one. You want to make sure you go to each one, because you want to make sure they're going to your page, not mine's, not Jay's, not whoever you watch the video and got the code from. So make sure you're doing this to every single one. Put that in the UR part and put OK. Copy it, whatever you want, the hyperlink. When they see that lit up, usually people know to click there. That one is already there for me. I must already did it before I started this video. Make sure you push save every single time. I want to go back and make sure it wasn't there, but I need to unhighlight it and save it. Make sure it's not highlighted when you save it, because it won't stay. Let's make sure you save now. Okay, go through every single one. I think that's my third one. That's the third one. So I'm going to just go down. Just keep on doing the same thing on every single one, making sure you make sure you get this in there. And you can send yourself an email, so you can log into your capture page, so you can make sure you're getting this. And all you got to do is just go through every single one. And if you just want to do 10 the first day because you have so much other stuff you're doing, because there is other, if you're in multiple businesses, there's other things you want to set up. Go ahead and do 10 a day. Just make sure you write it down. But if you can get it done the first day, you don't have to go back and do this. But I would suggest you get it done first time around. Okay? And if, like right now, we have a promotion going on, so make sure you add it at your leisure. Put your phone number. If you have a page, you want to direct them to your personal Facebook page, so they can know that you're a real person. You can do that as well. This is my son's laptop, actually. So let me show you how to do that too. See, I'm here, so I'm gonna go here, and then once you go to your click your name, whatever your name is, and go there. You're able to get your Facebook link, and you can actually say, hey, come join me on maybe the 5th or 6th email date, whatever day you want to do that. Make sure you always save it so you know it's going to be there. You have been personally selected to be personally mentored by a figure super affiliate online. Okay, well, hey, here, this is what we're going to do. You can actually also connect on Facebook. You can do this with all of them. You want to get personal. People don't want to just join people. People want to know that you really care and that you're there for them and stuff like that. So go back and get that link. And make sure you really highlight this real good, because a certain way it has to be done in order for it to stick, right? I noticed that. And that's already there. Cool. Make sure you save it every single time. If you want to have a Google Voice number, sign up for a Gmail account, and make sure people can reach out to you. That is the way people really want to join you more. And make sure you remember to go through each email and edit it. That's why I say text me, because my sponsor, he has a new baby, and I don't recall if I called him or not. However, but he was very, very helpful, and he had these videos and stuff like that. But he said he had a newborn baby, and we always want to be respectful to people's lives. So if someone leave a number, just text, and they'll get back to you at their convenience. And I know sometimes we're anxious, but go through the trainings, you'll see that there is training. I must already did this one. This is all you do is highlight. Make sure I got that. Highlight the hyperlink and put it in. Okay. Make sure my information isn't down there. Save it. Okay. It was on 7. Let's go to 8. I'm just going to do 10 for today, honestly, because there's so much training in here. And I want to go do something else because I'm in another business as well. But make sure you get this information out of there. Start ASAP. Don't forget to go back after you do however many you need to do. Otherwise, they're going to be joining someone else. Very, very simple. And I'll go back and make sure you guys get it. It's almost a 10-minute video, so I'm going to get out of here. We want to try to stay under 10 minutes. All right, guys.